What is that?
Fish.
Ah, where did you get that?
Papa.
Papa get that for you? Okay. Ba't ka dyan nag-upo? Wow. How many fish do you have? How many fish? Count your fish.
1, 2,
1, 2.
3.
Just 2. You like it?
Yes.
Did you say thank you to Papa?
Thank you, Papa.
Wow, you like the fish? Nay? Shopee. Galit si Shopee. Hi. Oh, no.
No. My fish.
Yeah, that's yours. Or you will get that. Or you is yours. Hold lang.